Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Pulse Plus, and let me share with you how to change the 3-button navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. Let's tap on them. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system and tap on the gestures. Now the second option, which is connected with the navigation mode, so let's tap, and here we've got the gestures. So if you've got the 3-button navigation, all you have to do is to tap on the gestures. If you want to, you can customize the 3-button navigation here. So for example, you can reorder the back button and the recents, you can enter the settings and customize the assistant. So all you have to do is to tap on gesture navigation, and as you can see, instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for some actions. We can enter the settings. Here we've got back sensitivity and digital assistant. To be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide whether you really need this back sensitivity to be lower or higher or right in the middle. Alright, so a quick tutorial of how to use the gestures. If you want to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center until you'll see this arrow and release the finger, and as you can see, we just got back. The same situation from the right side, so it works the same. If you'd like to, you can go back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center, and make sure that this motion, this gesture will be quick and short, just like that. And if you want to open the recents, repeat the gesture, however, elongated, something like that. And after releasing, you can see the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.